all are doing good. In today's session, we are going to see in the chapter integers, uh, exercise number 1.2 and question number 2. And as of now, we have finished up to fourth subdivision in the second problem, and we will start with the fifth subdivision in the second problem. Fifth subdivision, minus 45 into 98. See, don't think that you can multiply as it is 45 into 95 and you just write the answer. Okay, so we have learnt the properties and you have to use those properties in these problems. Okay, for that we need in one term we should have at least a plus b or a minus b. We need two integers in the terms, whether it is in subtraction or addition. Then only we can use the any properties we have studied in the chapter, that is associative property or distributive. If you want to use any distributive property over addition or subtraction, we need at least in one term we need two integers, right? So you all know that, I think. So for that, what I am going to do is I am going to write this 98 as 100 minus 2, right? So 100 minus 2 is also 98 is going to come. So I am taking this as 98 as 100 minus 2 to apply the properties here. So what property we can apply here? See, it is in the form of A cross B minus C, right? So we can use we are using this property, distributive property, right? Distributive property over addition, over subtraction, right? Okay, children. So what you have learnt in this property, if A cross B minus C, then A is equal to A cross B minus A cross C. This is the property you know, that is distributive property over subtraction. So we are going to apply this in this problem, that is minus 45 into 100 minus 2. So what you will get? Minus 45 into 2 into minus 45 into 100. Am I right? I am just splitting this term, right? 45 multiplied by 100 and 45 multiplied by 2. Okay, children. So what you will get? Minus 4500 minus of 90. Okay. Sorry, extremely sorry. Okay, I'll start from the beginning. See, minus 45 is here and the first term is 100, right? So I multiplied first this 2 and after I multiply this 100. This is it will come wrongly. Okay, so forget the steps and you start from this thing. Okay, minus 45 into 100 minus 45 into 2, right? That is A cross B minus A minus C. Okay, children. Sorry, A multiplied by C. Okay, so minus 4500 minus 45 into 2 will get minus 90. Okay, children. So minus 4500 minus of minus, that is minus multiplied by minus, you will get plus, right? So plus 90 you will get. So minus 4500 plus 90 you will get. You have to subtract, right? So one term is in minus, you will have to, another term if it is in plus, that is positive, you have to subtract both the terms. You have to find the difference, right? So 0 will come, and if you take 1, it will become 10. So 10 minus 9 will come 1, and here it will be 4. So 4410 will be your answer. Okay, children, and don't forget to write the negative sign in the answer. Okay, so next we will move on to the sixth subdivision. The sixth problem, it is again minus 45 multiplied by 102. See, in the previous problem we did the sum using the distributive property over subtraction. But here see, they have given in the previous problem 98. So we took the number in 100 minus 2. So here see minus 45 into, they have given us 102. So we can write this as 100 plus 2, right, to use the property here. Okay, so here this is in the form of A cross B plus C, which is equal to A cross B, right, plus A cross C. It is A cross B plus A cross C. Okay, so what is this property? Distributive property over addition. See, you should not forget to write these property. Whatever property you are using in this problem, you have to mention it clearly. Okay, so now minus 45 is multiplied by 100 plus minus 45 multiplied by 2, right? That is minus 45 is A, B consider as 100 and C as 2. So A cross B plus A cross C. Okay, so what will come? Minus 4500 plus 90, right? So minus 4500, see, plus into minus, what will get? One plus is in the outside, minus is inside. So positive into negative will get negative. So 90 minus 90 will come. See, if both the terms are in negative sign, then what will you do? Will you add or subtract? Yes, you will add both the terms, that is minus 4500 minus 90, you will get 4590. And don't forget to write the negative sign here also. See, if in the previous problem we put the negative sign because it is in the in the bigger number. Okay, so we use the negative sign in the answer. Here also we have added both the negative terms. So if we add the negative terms, you will have to write the answer in only in the negative sign. Okay children, don't forget these two things. Whether if the bigger number is a negative, we have to put the negative sign, and if you add two negative numbers, then you have to put the negative sign in the before the number. Okay, so next we will move on to the seventh subdivision. I think that is the last one. Seventh subdivision. Okay, what is the seventh problem? 15 into 100 minus 3. Children, can you say, can find out, I think it is in the form of A cross B minus C, right? So A cross B minus C, you will get A cross B minus A cross C. So this is distributive property over subtraction. Right? So I am writing in a short way, but don't write like this, write it in the full form. Okay, so what will come? 15 into 100 minus 15 into 3. Okay, that is A cross B minus A cross C. So 15 into 100 will come 1500 minus 15 into 3 will come what? 45. Okay, so one term is in positive and one term is in negative. That is, we have to find the difference between both the numbers. So we will get 5, 9, 5, 4. So we will get 1455 is your answer. Okay children, I think you have known thoroughly to do this problems using the properties. And also in this video I will show you the properties we have used in the problems in the book itself, where you have to find the properties. Okay, in the last segment I will show you the pages of the properties where you could find the properties. Okay children, so with this thing I am going to complete the session today, and we'll see it in the next session. And don't forget to subscribe and share our WonderMaths Made Easy channel to your friends. And if you have any doubt in the session, please comment me in the comment box, and I'll try to solve your doubts. Take care, children.